Well, we've got more of the same this afternoon. Snow falling, reducing our visibility, even as we are looking pretty close up here on our view of I-94. You can see the pedestrian bridge there in the foreground. And then the lanes just kind of disappear off into the snowy distance. So we are still dealing with low visibility, darker skies, and slick roads from that fresh snow that we've received. Reports of 1 to about 2 inches of snow so far. Our highest snowfall report so far with this one is 2.5 inches in Lemoore County. So we're looking at some conditions that are some snowy conditions that are light, but enough to add up to a couple of inches of snow for those of us in the south. Fargo, we've got a band over us right now that's a little bit more substantial. This stretches up into Clay County, southern parts of Norman County as well. A little streak here of snow too near the Fergus Falls area, and then some more ongoing snow down toward Oaks and Ellendale and back down into northeastern South Dakota. Not as impressive looking as it was earlier this morning, but there's still that snow out there, and you're probably seeing it as you're looking out your window in the Southern Valley. Up north, it's been a lot quieter for us, though we have from time to time had some snow showers there. But you can see where all of the energy is with this system. It's over to the east. Lots of deep blues showing up around the Minneapolis area, down into southern parts of Minnesota. And eventually, as this moves on, we'll lose the little bit of snow we have now, and eventually we'll start to see some clearing, and we may already be seeing some of that up in the Devil's Lake area. So checking out your visibility, we are less than a mile in Fargo and in Wahpeton, and in other places 1 mile to 2 miles in a lot of spots. So again, reduced visibility, slick roads, wind out of the north for most. It is picking up slightly. We've got some wind speeds into the teens. Cooperstown and Jamestown at 13 miles per hour. And our temperatures are into the teens. It's 13 degrees in Fargo and 12 in Grand Forks. It's 19 in Fosston. So looking at some milder temperatures there. And a look at our hour-by-hour planner again. We've got those scattered snow showers still ongoing in the south. Gradually, they will pull eastward, the system itself will, and our chances for snow will be winding down too, though we may still have some lingering areas in Lakes Country around the 4 o'clock hour. Temperatures once again into the teens as we head into the afternoon. And with one spot at 19 degrees, we can't rule out a couple of places getting to 20 over the next couple of hours. Heading into tonight, some changes starting up. We will be okay this evening. Temperatures generally remaining above zero. But heading into the late night hours, you can see we start to dip. We're looking at temperatures that are going to be below zero by the time we get into tomorrow morning, and mostly cloudy skies to start off your Saturday. As we head through the day, there may be a few lingering light snow showers down in the far south, but other than that, we're looking at some quiet conditions and even some clear skies. Heading into the late night hours, that's when those temperatures really will dip. We're not going to warm up much tomorrow, and you can see those numbers starting to drop by 10 o'clock, and they'll continue to plummet from there. And Sunday is going to be pretty brutal, a high of 2 below, and if we get there, we're looking at setting some records here for record minimum high temperatures here for March. And then heading into next week, don't worry, we've got some recovery happening as we start to get into the middle part of the week especially. So up and down again here in the valley.
It's hard to imagine we could get much worse than a record low high.
I know, it sounds kind of funny. It's hard to get out to explain, but I think we all know those days where we just don't warm up at all.
Not good.
No. Definitely not good, especially in March when you don't see zero. That's a cold day.
Most definitely. Thanks, Lisa.